Hello guys, so in this video I'll be talking about some basic commands in Vim. This will be the start of this learning session. So we will just look at the file here. Let's take array 3.c. Alright, so I have this file here. I open it in Vim. And let us say I want to go to the bottom of the file. Now you can see that if I type capital L, it should bring me to the last line. So you see my cursor is on the last line. If I go with M, it's going to the middle line. But before I do any of that, I should hit escape and I should go to the bottom. And if I type set number, so now you can see I have the numbers here. I set the line numbers. Now, if I want to go to the top of this here, capital, caps lock on, H. I'm on the top. If I want to go to the middle, I type M. So I'm at line 10. If I type L, I'm at 20, line 20. Now, if I want to go up one line, I can undo my caps lock there. So K will take me one up. I'm pressing K here right now and I'm going up one. So you can see that on my screen. K takes you up. If I type J, I'm coming down. Alright, so K is up. So right now I'm on line 12. Supposing I want to go to the end of line 12. So you can see that you have to press the $sign. So that'll be shift $sign. So I'm on the end of line 12. Now there's a semicolon there. So I just want to see something. If I press L, it doesn't go further. So if I want to delete that semicolon, what do I do? Not too sure right now, but bear with me here. So L takes you to the right, H to the left. Let me try that. H to the left. So I'm going to the left. I'm just pressing the H key here. So let us say I'm there and I want to go to the starting of line 12. So I hit colon O, enter, starting of the line. I want to go back to the end of the line, shift and the $sign, I'm at the end of the line. Now let us say I want to come down to line 13. So if I press J, comes to the end of the line, end of the line, end of the line. Alright, if I press key, I go up back. Alright, what else we can look at here? We looked at right, left, K is up, J is down, O is for the start, so I go O here. I'm at the beginning of line 9. If I press shift $sign, I'm at the end of line 9. So what else can we look at? I think we covered everything here, right? So I can go again, capital. So H will take me to the top, M to the middle, L to the end, right? Take off my caps lock, and now I can toggle up using the K, and I can switch to the right with L, right? That's if I want to go one character at a time. And I can go to the left with H. So I'm going left, just pressing H here. And I can go up with K. So you see, so it's taking me up. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so it seems like if you are, let us say you're right, so right will be L. It won't do anything right now there for me on line 6. So if I come down, J is coming down. Okay guys, so you gotta bear with me here. This is a learning exercise. We discover a few things here. That to get to the top, right, you use H. To go to the bottom, L. So I'll end this video here. Now before I end, so I hit escape, colon, right? And now I'm gonna press Q. I should get command Q and exclamation mark. So I am not saving anything that I have done on this file. I'll hit enter, right? So my file should be preserved. So this is Vim lesson number 1. I'm exploring it. You can explore with me. If you find this video, helpful, you can follow me in this learning adventure. So I'll end this video here now. All right, bye for now.